Hey guys, welcome back to day 2 of 12 days of Liller-Ween. On today's video, we're going to be making one of these SVG little floral arrangements. You guys, this is what it turned out like. I absolutely love it. I also made an envelope for it. I tried to film as much as I could, you guys. It was super hard for me to make this SVG and show you guys while I made it, because I was watching a tutorial myself while I was making it, and it was just hard. And I tried to film as much as I could, but this is what it turned out like. It's kind of like a little pop-up card, so it flattens up, as you can see, and then it opens up and you can kind of like stand it up. So this is the project for today. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget to leave your comment down below to be entered to win this for one of you guys. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next episode. Bye. Hey guys, so before I get started, I wanted to show you guys the pieces that I have already cut. I am using the PinkaBoo paper pad from Michaels. I have stitched on some of the pieces that are going to be showing outside of the box. So I have this one stitched up, and then I have the little panels. So I hope you guys enjoy me putting this SVG together. I never thought I would film a video actually me putting an SVG together, but we're gonna do it this way, and I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll come right back in before I leave to, of course, show you guys the card. Even though at this point you probably already saw it because I'm starting off the intro with it, but I will be back at the end to let you guys know some more details. So enjoy the video, and I'll catch you guys in a few. Bye. And we are finally done with our project. As you guys see, this is how it turned out. I did make the envelope. Look how cute that is, you guys. So one of you lucky winners are going to, well, lucky subbies are going to be a winner to win this little card. I'm going to package it up super cute. So don't forget to comment down below, enter me to be entered for today's giveaway. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you on the next episode. Bye, guys.